Now here at Overdevest we grow a lot of different sorts of rhododendrons and azaleas. We grow the small compact evergreen azaleas, and then as you see we also grow quite a few of the larger growing deciduous azaleas, and these plants are just fantastic for warming up our spring scene. Lots of different colors and types, and this one, which is called Azalea Cannon's Double, is one of the ones that I wanted to show you simply because it is really very beautiful and also quite unique. Because when you look at these opening flowers, you'll see that not only is this a really delicious color of soft pastel shades, but also as you look at them here, you'll see the flowers are double, which is why they call it Cannon's Double, of course. And like the name, it suggests that it was bred and selected by somebody called Cannon. Yes, it was. It was bred by the late Cliff Cannon in Olympia, Washington. And what he done is he crossed one of the old Ghent hybrids called Cornet, which is a soft kind of pinkish double-flowered one, with one of the larger flowering exbrays, Cecile. That gave him one that had, as you see, the soft creamy shades of this, but also double flowers. Then add to that the fact that it's got pretty young foliage in springtime. It then carries in the autumn time lovely bright orangey red colors in the fall, all on a plant that only gets to about 5 to 6 foot and that is nice and hardy to zone 5. Make sure if you're going to plant one of these, or maybe more than one, that you put it in a partially shaded location. They're wonderful plants because of the beautiful fragrance that comes from the flowers, to have somewhere, say in a woodland garden or a shaded area somewhere near your home, where you're going to be able to enjoy both the glorious color and the lovely fragrance. So if you're looking for a very nice deciduous azalea that's unusual because it's got double flowers, then look for this beautiful variety. It's called Azalea Cannon's Double.